Today we're using products from Camille. We're using the moisture milk and the curl maker. So let's just hop straight into this. This is the first curly hair routine I'm doing with my undercut. I've been growing my undercut for about like 5 months now, coming up to 6 months. So we're gonna add in our leave-in conditioner first after spraying our hair with water to get it nice and damp. And then we're gonna just try to disperse it through the hair. I'm almost using this pinching motion. I'm gonna use a pick. I'm also gonna use a tangle teaser to help disperse the product through a little bit more evenly. So if your hair is shorter, you can kind of use this technique even if you aren't growing out your undercut, right? So I'm going in with the tangle teaser just to make sure that there are no knots, because your hair will not curl if it is not detangled, okay? Say that with me. My hair won't curl if it's not detangled, all right? So now we're going in with the curl maker now, just kind of using the same steps, just dispersing it through, trying to rake it through my hair. It's a little hard to rake it through your hair. When your hair is a lot shorter, it's a little bit more of a poof, but you know, we're gonna make do. Make sure that you continuously spray your hair with water. You want to make sure your hair is damp while you're doing this. This is how it looks from the back. Pause, and you can see the curls are actually making their way through. They're popping a little bit. Look at that. It's almost looking like a wavy kind of noodle motion in the hair. But you know what, we progress. Now we're going to start the top section of my hair. You've seen this in multiple videos, but you know, I want to show you guys how these products actually react with my hair. So if you have high porosity hair or 4B hair, then this video is for you. So I'm just going to take a smaller section, go in with my wide tooth comb, add my leave-in conditioner. This is all pretty standard. You want to make sure that your hair is moisturized and detangled before you go in with your styling product. So just watch the motion. I'm combing. I start from the ends, then I work my way up to the roots. And don't be light-handed, okay? Now I think I'm going in with the actual styling product. It's the same steps as the undercut. Go in with your leave-in conditioner first, then go in with the curl maker. Then you could use your whatever brush you have, whether it's a comb or anything like that, and go through your hair. Now I'm actually doing a little bit of shingling whilst I'm styling my hair. This is something I don't usually do, but because I'm using these Camille products, I find that the curl maker it doesn't have as much hold as a lot of the other products that I've used. That's no detriment to it. It gives you those soft, bouncy curls, but I like a little bit more of definition. So now we're just gonna use the same process around the head. It's basically rinse and repeat. Spray your hair with water, detangle it, make sure that there's no more knots through it. Then once you've detangled through all of it, you're gonna go in with your leave-in conditioner, add that to the hair, make sure that your hair is nice and soft and soaked. Comb through it one more time, because you know you gotta keep combing through it. Then you're gonna go in with the curl maker once again, your styling product, and make sure to go through each section twice with the curl maker. I find that makes it pop out better. It makes it look a lot more defined when you go in twice with the product instead of just once. So I'm just raking it through my hair using my fingers, and look at those curls, man. Look how they're just forming. Look how they're forming, bro. Look at me. Say, I almost look like I got wavy hair at this point, bro. Follow this technique and it will work, my G. Just believe me. Just believe what I'm saying. Don't even have to believe me. Just watch what I'm doing. You can see it before your eyes. You're witnessing it right now in real time. I promise I'm not stalling. I am definitely not stalling throughout this video, waiting for it to get to the next part, because I don't know what's happening next. All right, but yeah, basically follow the same thing. You could use the shingling, and this is how my hair looks a day later. This is not on the same day. You can see the undercut. This is how the undercut's looking, being grown out. And then this is how it looks in the back. Like I said, this was a day after, so I did go to sleep. This is how my curls look outside, and you know, hit a little smile. I don't know who I'm talking to. I'm kind of just feeling myself at this moment. I did that motion twice. That's a little strange. And yeah, this is just it from both angles. So I hope this video helped you out, and make sure to like and comment.